Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share Notion page with others. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the Notion dashboard. Then, choose the page that you want to share. Over here, select the page. After that, click on the share button at the top right corner. Then adjust the general access settings. Over here, you can choose between the following options. Only invited people can access the page. Workspace members can access with the link. Workspace members can access and discover in search. After that, type in the email of the person you want to share the page with. Then click on invite. Over here, the invited person will receive an email and just needs to accept the invite. You can also copy the link and share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or anywhere else. So that's basically how you can share Notion page with others. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.